guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Darla Rodriguez and I'm so happy you're here. Happy Tuesday to you. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that little button and you can always hit the bell to get notified every Tuesday when we launch. We are talking Milani's new Gilded Shadow Stick, so stay with me and let's get into it. I have all four colors. This is the new Gilded Shadow Sticks from Milani. I had to buy all four of them because they're just so beautiful and they're $6.99 a piece. So I thought, why not? So before I apply to my other eye, obviously I have my right eye already complete. I'm going to do the left eye on camera. I just wanted to show you what the colors look like. They're very creamy, which I love. This one is called Summit. That is the lightest color. Then you have Golden Hour. Then you have Like a Moss. And Smoldering. All of these do have a shimmer, so none of them are matte. And I will say, like, I am loving shadow sticks. The nude sticks, I did a video on them like a long time ago. Hopefully Ness can find it. We can put it up. They do have matte colors if you're just not a shimmery kind of gal, that's fine. Nude sticks does have mattes. I wear them all the time too. You know, with our just easygoing lifestyle in 2021, these are awesome. So I was so excited that they launched them. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to go ahead. This is going to be a very quick and easy eye makeup. I'm going to start with Like a Moss, and I'm going to put it in the corner here and on the outside and just kind of blend out. Now you can use your finger if you want. That's how creamy they are. I'm not really a finger girl, so I am using my brush. And it blends out so beautifully. I mean, honestly, if you're afraid of makeup, these will not scare you because they blend out so nicely. Even if you're not using a brush, even if you use your finger. Then I'm gonna go with, that was Like a Moss, so I just put in the corner on the outer part. And then in the center, I'm doing Golden Hour. And I'm gonna go right in here. What's nice is you could throw one of these on all over your lid, put mascara on and go. Now I am just using my finger for that one because there's really no blending needed. I'm gonna go back over with the brush that I used for Like a Moss and blend it right through there. There are the shadows. Now I am gonna take Smoldering and I'm gonna put it on the lash line, just the outer corner here, outer third really, and blend it with a liner brush just to give a little bit of depth to my lash line. These blend out so nicely, you guys. I highly, highly, highly recommend these. So I just took this little brush and kind of gave my my line just that crispness that it needs. And then on the center, I'm taking Summit and I'm going to put it right in the corner. This is one that you could just use by itself. Again, any of them you can use by themselves with mascara. And I am gonna just tap that in. Anything in the corner that brightens your eye is always a plus in my book. And then a little bit of concealer to finish it off and mascara, and we are done. This is a quick and easy look that really looks like you spent more time than you have. I like to go in with a concealer just because it finishes it. You know, it just gives it a finished look. And I have been, because I put no shadow up on the brow bone, I have been using my concealer, and I really like how it looks when you're doing a simple eye look. There's no bare skin left. Sometimes when there's bare skin against a shadow, it looks odd. So when you have that concealer, just finishes it off. A little bit of mascara, and we are done. Now, when I get done with this, I do want to show you one thing. I did those swatches, and I'm going to show you how these shadow sticks, they don't budge. Like, they stay right on, which is another plus with shadow sticks, I believe. Sometimes, you know, they have a lot of the multitasking products out, but when they're not made for your eyes, the long wearability sometimes is not there. So there you have it. I wanted to show you this. Look, like, they're not moving. They stay, which is awesome. So it's long wear, easy to apply, blendable, $6.99. Honestly, I'm going to wear them all the time, and I think you guys should too. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.